Hi friends, welcome to Creative for You. In this video, I will make a simple USB tester device that can test the output current of chargers and power banks. Using only few components you can make your own testing device like this. It's very easy to make. It only contains 4 components: transistor, resistor, potentiometer, and prototype PCB board. Now, let's test how much current can a phone charger output. You can see when I rotate the potentiometer the current increases, and it's now 1 amps. Let's increase to 2 amp and see if it can output 2 amps. You can see it's outputting 2 ampere of current, so the charger can output 2 amps as it claims. Now let's test the output current of my power bank. It claims it can output 3 amps. Let's see if it really can output 3 amps of current. Rotating the potentiometer increases the current value. Now it's 1 amp current outputting. Let's increase to 2 amps, and you can see it's giving 2 amps. So finally we increase the current to 3 amps, and it can give 3 amps of current. That